Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Hakimi, CA 17017, and I will present aggregation relationship.
What is aggregation? Aggregation is a special case of association, a directional association between objects. It is an association that represents a part, whole, or part of relationship. When an object has another object, then you have got an aggregation between them. Direction between them specify which object contains the other object. Aggregation is also called has a relationship, and another definition of aggregation is indicates a relationship where the child can exist separately from their parent class. How aggregation works in the class diagram. Aggregation can occur when a class is a collection of containers of other classes, but the contained class do not have a strong life cycle dependency on the container. The contents of the container still exist when the container is destroyed. In UML, it is graphically represented as a hollow diamond shape on the containing class with a single line that connects it to the contained class. The aggregate is semantically an extended object that is treated as a unit in many operations, although physically it is made of several lesser objects. Class diagram showing aggregation between two classes, which is professor and class. Here, a professor has a class to teach. Professor will be the containing class, and the class will be the contained class. Class not depend on the professor. Here is the example of the aggregation in class diagram. There are two examples. The first one is the two class between library and also books. The class library is made up of one or more books among other materials. Since the contained classes are not strongly dependent on the life cycle of the container, so the books will remain even when the library is dissolved. Second one, the class between car, engine, and wheel. It has a car class that will be the whole, while the engine and also wheel will be the part. One car has one engine and one car has many wheels. The part can exist separately from the whole, means the engine and the wheel still exist even without the car.